to remain comfortably seated until the aircraft is safely parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. This is your one and only indication it's safe to stand and begin to gather all of your personal belongings. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments, as items do have a tendency to shift during flight, and before deplaning, check all storage areas, including the seat back pocket, for all of your personal items. Once you have disembarked the aircraft, you will not be allowed to reboard due to international security regulations. Regardless of your final destination, all customers are required to clear customs and immigration here in Los Angeles. We do ask that you make your passport readily available for inspection. Our customer service team will be available upon arrival and the door opening to answer any questions or give any direction that you may need. If you are connecting here in Los Angeles, once you've proceeded through immigration and customs, you'll see a baggage recheck area on the right-hand side as you exit. If you purchased any duty-free, any liquids, gels, or creams over 100 milliliters or 3.4 fluid ounces, please be reminded to place those back in your checked bags before rechecking them in the baggage recheck area. You will be required to clear security before proceeding to your next flight. On behalf of the captain and your entire Los Angeles and San Francisco-based in-flight crew, it certainly has been our pleasure having you on board with us today. We do realize when it's time to fly, you have many choices of airlines. We truly do appreciate your business here at United. If you're home, we'd like to welcome you home. If you're continuing your travels, we wish you very safe and pleasant ones. And if you're visiting sunny Southern California, have a wonderful day. Thank you, and a very good afternoon to you all.